Welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian. Welcome to English with Adrian. If you want to expand your English, increase your vocabulary and speak like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below, hit the bell notification for the latest videos. But let's have a look at modal verbs in the passive voice. Okay. So modal verbs are things you should do, obligations, or things you're required to do. But it's worth noting that the modal verb does not change in the passive voice, nor does the be action. The intention does not change either. So, you should tell Jessica the news. You should. You really should. Active voice. Jessica should be told the news. Let's move the sentence around a little bit. Jessica should be told the news. Let's have a look. So, subject, Jessica. Modal verb, should, could, would, must, may. Be, told the news. Adrian should be, with the modal verb, should be, could be told, informed, let's say told what to do. Andrew could, he could be told, could be informed, could be taught what to do, taught Spanish. Jessica may be told the instructions, perhaps. So the sentence does change in the passive voice, but the modal verb does not change. There's no participle, for example, on it. It doesn't change. Yeah. But let's keep going. There's always more to English than this. Again, a quick reminder, these modal verbs are words of obligation, deductions, or possibilities. Things that could happen, things like, if. Deductions, what it means, what it's been reduced to, what that's all about. And obligations, things you have to do. You have to do it. So, can I teach English? Can English be taught by me? Ooh. Can English be taught by you? May. Something may happen. May I have the pen, please? Or is it could? Could you pass the pen, please? Thank you very much. Could you? Could you please? Thank you. Would you have been the teacher? Would you have been the teacher? Would you have been the teacher? Would you be the teacher? Shall I? It's wondering if this happens, shall I do that? Or shall I go here or shall I go there? Shall I open the party? Shall I start the party? Shall the party be started by me? Shall I start the party or shall he start the party? Shall the party or should the party be started by me or by him? Must not, and I must. Something that must happen. I must learn English. Learning English, I must learn English. English must be learnt by me. Must be learnt by you. Although you wouldn't say that very often, I must admit. But however, can't. I can't travel to. Well, actually, there's nowhere I can't. I don't know. Mars. Let's have that. I can't travel to Mars. Travelling to Mars. Well, Mars can't be visited by you. Can't be travelled to by me. Must. Oh, we had must here. Must. We must have made a mistake. A mistake must have been made by me. Here, must twice. I must have made a mistake. When I was writing the lesson, a mistake must have been made by me. I must have made a mistake. Cool. Things that must happen, obligations. Deductions, what it boils down to. And possibilities, chances of things happening. But, as always English, let's keep going. However, it's interesting to note that in the perfect passive tense, we replace have have, this pen has almost run out. Have with have been. Has been, have been. The boss should have given the customers a refund. A refund should have been given by the boss. Oh. The customers should have gotten, maybe should have been given a refund. A refund should have been given to the customers. Yeah. Have been, talking about things that have occurred, process of changing and being, or from one thing to another. The boss should have given a refund. Yeah. The customers should have been given a refund. Ah. We should have been. We should have been at the front of the queue. We, you and I, should have been there by now. We should have been there by now. The queue, we should have been at the front of the queue. The oil leak should have been fixed by now. The pen should have been replaced by now. This pen should have been replaced. But let's look at how the sentence is made. So we have subject, the customers in this case, modal verb, should, could, would, must, may, things like that, may be, may have been, or has been, depending on the context. The customers should have been, past participle, so using a verb with the past conjugation, given, give, and given. Rest of the sentence, a refund, their money back, their money back. Let's have a look then. So we could have been. We could have been there by now. Like we could have been there in France. We could have been there by now in France. She should have been here by now. She should have been here by now. Where is she? She should have been here by now. She should have arrived by now. Been here, arrived, be here, arrived, arrived. She should have arrived by now. She should have been here by now. Where is she? Where is she? She's going to be late. She's going to be late. She's going to be late to the party. Interesting. How cool is that? How cool is that? However, if you should have been learning English in the past, but yet you want to expand your vocabulary, increase your confidence, and speak like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest uploads. Until then, you should have been watching more videos. How cool is that? Bye for now.